Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on shield mode on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Shield mode is effectively a panic button for streamers. Shield mode can mask, ban, and block trolls from your stream for using a word that you have banned, meaning no more individual click and ban. It can be implemented by mods or streamer can be edited by both groups or people. It was essentially implemented to make streamer a nicer experience and keep unwanted paste out of stream to stop harassment. So what if you want to turn this on? It's very simple. So first you have to open our Twitch. After that, you can go to Stream Manager by tap on the bottom right here. You can go to your profile. After that, you can choose on Stream Manager. From your Stream Manager, you can go to Quick Actions. You can slide this option in here and choose like the stopwatch icon in here, timer icon, this one. You can just choose on that. After that, you can choose for the red icon in here. You can just tap on that. So in here, activate shield mode. Your emergency shield mode setting will immediately active. Now you can just choose on turn on. So now you have turned on the shield mode on your Twitch. It's very simple, right? So now your streamer will be more safe, will be safer. As mentioned about, it's a panic button and can allow for mass ban or of troll from your stream. This mass ban works and banned words, and those who come in to had rate using this word. The words that are banned flag up the account, and the account exclusion can then be mass banned. You can also restrict who can be in the chat, not just subs only chat mode, but no first time chatters. So it's very simple, right? That is how to turn on the shield mode on your Twitch streaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.